Hey guys, Happy Banjo Dude here with a lesson for Dial Drunk by Kahan, sometimes featuring Post Malone. Go ahead and click on the link to my website, get all the tabs so you can follow along. I'm going to go ahead and play it slow and then along with the song. Here we go, Dial Drunk.
I promised to forget you now. It's raining and I'm calling drunk, and my medicine is drowning your perspective out. So I ain't taking any